Alright, I went back in the house. I don't know if you can see the computer. There's the Leatherman wingman. That's at B&H Photo, believe it or not. The S.O.G buy one get one is right on their website, directly from S.O.G. That's the Altair, forest green moss, and the other deal was, it was at REI. It is the contoured feather adventure survival knife. Usually they're about 50 bucks. It's on sale for 32. So have a great day, guys. I'm gonna go head out. We're doing trick-or-treating on the water, taking the boats out, so should be cool. I'll try to get a few pics. Have a good one, guys. Appreciate you.